AccuLynx photo upload failures are usually caused by connection problems, app issues, file problems, or permissions that stop images from being added to a project correctly. By the end, you'll know how to fix AccuLynx when photos fail to upload, get stuck, or do not appear in your project. Start by checking your internet connection. Photo uploads require a stable connection to send images from your device to AccuLynx. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test the connection. If photos upload after changing networks, your original connection may be causing the problem. Next, close the AccuLynx app completely and reopen it. Restarting the app can refresh the upload process and clear temporary issues. If photos still fail, restart your phone or tablet. A device restart can fix background problems that affect app performance. Check the size and format of the photos you are uploading. Large files or unsupported formats can prevent successful uploads. Try uploading a different photo to see whether the problem affects one image or every image. If only one photo fails, the file itself may be the issue. Check that AccuLynx has permission to access your photos and device storage. Without the correct permissions, the app may not be able to select or upload images. On your device settings, open the AccuLynx app permissions and confirm that photo access is enabled. If you are using the AccuLynx mobile app, check for available updates in the App Store or Google Play Store. Updating the app can resolve problems caused by older versions. Install any available update and try uploading the photos again. If you are using AccuLynx through a browser, refresh the page and sign back into your account. Browser sessions can sometimes cause upload problems. Clear browser cache and cookies if the issue continues. Stored browser data can interfere with website functions. Check whether the upload problem happens in one project or across all projects. If only one project has the issue, confirm that you have permission to add photos there. If photos still will not upload, record the device type, app version, browser information, and any error message shown. These details help support identify the cause faster. Contact AccuLynx support if the problem continues after testing your connection, permissions, and app updates. Avoid deleting photos from your device before confirming they have uploaded successfully. A failed upload means the images may not be saved in AccuLynx. The main fixes are checking your connection, allowing photo permissions, updating the app, testing different files, and contacting support when uploads continue failing. To recap, AccuLynx photo upload issues usually come from device settings, connection problems, or file issues. Your next step is to test a different photo and confirm app permissions before moving to support. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other software troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.